Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about a fragrance, which is this cute little sample, which is the Chloé Eau de Parfum by Chloé. And I've been wearing this one all day long. So right off the bat, when I open the little flacon over here, it is a very, I would say, clean scent. To me, it is almost like apple-like and very fresh. It has that fresh girl vibe, right, coming out of the shower, being clean, being fresh. You know, it is the summer, maybe more like spring, but yeah, it's like you're about to bloom and you're about to like come out into like woohoo, but very feminine, very youthful. There's not, I would say, any sexiness to it. It's just like an everyday type of scent that you're gonna be wearing. The thing is, it smells like an green apple when you smell it right off the bat, but the thing is there's no apple in the notes, which is super weird. I guess it's the way that it was mixed, or maybe it's the way that it ages in the little bottle, which I'm okay with green apple notes, but sometimes I'm not in a mood. But this is very fresh and you feel clean while wearing this. So let's talk about the notes. There's peony, there's lychee, and there is freesia. And I feel like maybe that's why it smells a little bit to me like green apple, is because of the lychee. Because lychee is very, it's like a powerful note that is fresh but can be a little bit bitter to some people, and a lot of people hate lychee. So if you hate lychee and the note lychee, you're really gonna hate this fragrance, because this is literally the opening, which it goes down to a more kind of floral rosy type of scent, which the middle notes are rose, lily of the valley, and a magnolia, which on me personally, I don't really smell the lily of the valley. It's probably like mixed in there somewhere, but I smell the rose and I smell the magnolia, and mostly the magnolia, because magnolia is one of those notes that I absolutely love. But definitely the lychee is still there even when the middle notes come through. And the base notes is Virginia cedar and amber. I don't know, like I don't smell that much of amber. Of course it gives a little bit of depth to this perfume, because if there was not any of those base notes, it would just be a regular type of perfume. And again, it smells a little bit soapy, this one, so some people might think that it smells a bit like detergent depending on your skin and how it blends with your skin, which it can happen, right? And yeah, like it feels like it's, sometimes when I smell it, some days it feels almost like I just cleaned the room. Like it's not even like a soapy scent. Sometimes it's more like okay, I just cleaned and it smells like cleaning products, but not in a bad way. You know, like when you enter a room and it's very like disinfected and it's like clean. It doesn't smell like alcohol, but you know, like that green, appley type of scent, but the luxurious one, you know? That's what it smells to me. So I'm just gonna put it up a little bit on my, whoops, I put way too much. Now it's dragging down my, okay, on the skin. And when you air it out like this, it does smell like the lychee, which I love lychee so much. Eating it, you know, that's one of those things that I really love to eat. So when I'm smelling lychee, it's just like, oh my God, it smells like a dessert that I just love. So that's why I like the scent of lychee, because I can actually taste it when I'm smelling it. And it's like it brings the youthfulness into me. And it's just like, oh, na, na, na. It's like you're in a field of little white flowers, and then you just like running, you know, that's the type of vibe that it gets from me. The way that it makes me feel is joyful, youthful, fresh, clean. And of course, it's not like a fragrance that I would reach on a day-to-day basis because of the lychee note, and because of like, you need to have a certain mood to be wearing this fragrance. I feel like it's not a safe buy because of the lychee note and how it's a polarizing note. Like even some fragrances, if there's lychee in any of the notes, even if it's base notes, people are gonna hate it, absolutely. So this as a top note, it's gonna be a no-no for a lot of people. And I would feel like this perfume blends so well with my skin that I feel like it's disappearing. It literally disappears. Like I cannot smell it anymore. And that's one of those things when a perfume kind of envelops with your skin, you can't really smell it anymore, even though it's there. So other people are going to smell it off of you, but I'm not going to be able to smell it. So I guess my skin just likes this one, because already it's almost gone, and like there was a whole drip of thing that was on me, and it doesn't bother me. So putting this perfume on me, if I want to smell myself delicious, it's not gonna be the perfume. If I just want to feel like, okay, like I'm going, let's say, to the gym, or I'm going somewhere and I'm like driving, or like I'm in a closed room, I'm gonna be wearing this type of perfume because I'm not gonna be able to smell it all the time on me. And if like I'm like, you know, talking and stuff, like I don't want to have like whiffs of perfume all the time, even though I do love to have a lot of perfume on me and like smelling delicious. This one is just one of those vibes where for me it's like, okay, I could wear this anywhere almost and it would fit me. Would I recommend it to a lot of people? Not really, because of the lychee notes and because of how soapy and kind of cleany that it smells like. It's like, I would recommend more something like floral. Even though this one is considered like a very floral scent, this is not that floral to me because the opening isn't that floral. Office safe, if you know what I mean. Very discreet. So if you're going somewhere where there's a bunch of people and you're worried about like smelling too much, then this is definitely a good one. So this one, I honestly really like it. I do wear it when I just want to feel clean and nice, just as other perfumes that I've talked to before about that just smell a little bit soapy. I love the soapy scent. And again, I feel like with time, the perfume just gets a little bit better, you know, after 10 minutes, let's say, and it just dries down properly and it really mixes well with my skin. I just feel like it's not like a massive sillage behind you. It's not leaving a trace. It's just like, oh, cuckoo, I'm here, and I'm just, you know, like telling you that I'm clean and that I smell nice. Anyways, that is the little review of the Chloé by Chloé perfume, which I think is a nice one. I'm not really that difficult with perfumes, especially with different notes. I just love a lot of perfume, and the more that I am, you know, experimenting with perfumes and the more I am wearing perfumes, the more I can appreciate the blend of different notes together. And this would definitely be a good perfume to mix with something else with a deeper base if you want to freshen it up, you know, like if you have a very deep perfume and then you're like, oh, I would like to have a little freshness to it, that would be perfect to mix it with it. So yeah, that's what it is. So if you have a teenager, that's going to be great for them, very youthful again, and just looks and smells beautiful. So if you like this little perfume review, make sure to like the video and comment down below if you tried this perfume before. Do you like it? Do you like lychee notes or no? I would love to know because lychee is totally polarizing. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for some content every single week on a beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys!